Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are well. Myself Sonal Tandel from Ashwamik Vidyalaya. Childrens, आज हम जीके में रिवीजन करेंगे. So, पहले हम लुकिंग बैक टू इसमें हमारे जो टेस्ट के यूनिट्स है वो ऐड है. सो हम पहले लुकिंग बैक टू का रिवीजन करेंगे. ओके. क्वेश्चन ए. Write true or false. First one, Kerala is the largest producer of coffee in India. So children, wrong या right? Wrong? No. Right? This is wrong. Okay? Because Karnataka is largest producer of coffee in India. So this sentence is false. False. Karnataka is the largest producer of coffee in India. So, false. Okay. Second, aromatherapy involves use of oil, etc. from plants. So, this is true. Third, Gautam Buddha was born in Mecca. This is false. Okay. False. Fourth, Chanakya introduced the decimal number system. This is right or wrong, children? This is wrong sentence because right sentence is Brahmagupta. Brahmagupta introduced the decimal number system. Okay. So this is false. Next, Ferdinand Magellan discovered America. So fifth one wrong because Christopher Columbus discovered America. Okay. So this is false. Next, crude oil and the natural gas are also called fossil fuels. Okay. This is right. So answer is true. सो राइट ट्रू और फॉल्स इस तरह से जो क्वेश्चन है ट्रू और फॉल्स के वो टेस्ट में एग्जाम में आ सकते हैं. ओके. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेम द फॉलोइंग. फर्स्ट वन, दिस पिक्चर इज hermit crab. This picture IBN Batuta. Okay. Third one, what is answer? This is Kalidas. So answer is Kalidas. Fourth one, this is Rakesh Sharma. Okay. So answer Rakesh Sharma. Fifth one, this picture name is Santa Maria. Next, sixth one, this animal name is Badger. ओके चिल्ड्रंस, तो इस तरह से नेम द फॉलोइंग हमको ऐसे पिक्चर्स दिए गए होंगे टेस्ट में और हमको इसके जो नेम्स है वो लिखने होंगे. सेकेंड, क्वेश्चन सी, आंसर इन वन वर्ड, टू वर्ड्स. फर्स्ट वन, विच एनिमल्स हैज इट्स nostrils at the ends of its bill and hence hunts by smell. So children, this answer is kiwi. So kiwi spelling KIWI, kiwi. Second one, which animal resembles a pig but is actually related to the rhinoceros? So This is answer is Tapir. Tapir spelling Tapir. Tapir. Okay. Third, who was the first astronomer of India? So, children, this is answer is Aryabhat. Aryabhat. Fourth one, what are lumps of rocks orbiting around the sun called? So, fourth one is asteroids. Asteroids. Fifth one, which explorer discovered the Hawaiian Island? So, Hawaiian Island, James Cook. Fifth answer is which explorer? So, this explorer name is James Cook. James Cook. Sixth one, who said this famous quotes? An eye for an eye makes the whole world blind. ये जो quotes है वो किसने कहा था? So, महात्मा गांधी. महात्मा गांधी. Next, children, fill in the blanks. First, blank is the therapy in which teeny needles are the instead on the specific points of the body. So, this therapy name is acupuncture. So, children, answer is acupuncture. Okay. Second, a blank is also called a shooting star. So, answer is Meteoro. Third one, blank traveled to China thought the Silk Route. So, this answer, third answer is Marco Polo. Marco Polo. Fourth one, another name for Asian Games is Asian Games का दूसरा नाम. So, Iceland. Children's एशियन गेम्स का दूसरा नाम एसियाड. ASIAD एसियाड. फिफ्थ वन, blank is the coral island of India. So, answer, what is answer, children? Lakshadweep. Okay, this answer is Lakshadweep is the coral island of India. Next, and blank give out clouds of the purple ink to spec from the enemies. So, answer is octopus. An octopus gives out clouds of purple ink to spec from enemies. So, इस तरह के जो ब्लैंक्स है वो भी टेस्ट में आ सकती है, तो आपको ये भी प्रिपेयर करना होगा. नेक्स्ट, मैथ द फॉलोइंग. फर्स्ट, गोवा. गोवा. सो गोवा कैपिटल पेंजिम. So first, B. Second, Jesus Christ. So Bethlehem. Third, Kolkata. River Hooghly. D. Fourth, Neil Armstrong. So what is answer? Neil Armstrong. That's one small step meant a giant leap of mankind. Father of surgery. So, children, what is answer? Fourth one, A. Okay, Neil Armstrong. That's the one small step of man, a giant leap for mankind. Sushrut. Children, fifth one, Sushruta. So, answer, father of surgery, C. London. So, E. Okay, met the following. Next, question F. Choose the correct option. First one, another word for the obvious is. Obvious का दूसरा meaning. First option, obviously. Second, definitely. Third, apparent. So, answer is apparent. Second, the full form of WHO is. First option, World Health Organization. WHO has objection. word meaning object. So WHO full form is World Health Organization. A. Third, a hug cloud of the gas or dust in space between stars is called galaxy, Maria, nebula. So answer is nebula. Fourth one, the closest galaxy to our Milky Way is Andromeda, Cendromeda, Venomedra. So closest galaxy to our Milky Way is Andromeda. Next, fifth one, a dog which looks like a fox and named a wolf is. So answer is man wolf. Sixth one, India won a gold medal at the 2014 Asian Games for air rifle, hockey, wrestling. So answer is hockey. सो चिल्ड्रंस आपको इस तरह से लुकिंग बैक टू के जो क्वेश्चन है उसके आंसर टेक्स्ट बुक में कंप्लीट करने होंगे और ये जो क्वेश्चन है उसको टेस्ट के लिए भी प्रिपेयर करने होंगे. ओके, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.